Start.
Hi friends, I am Shahina Nella. Today I am labeling 28 states in India. Kerala, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Telangana, Hyderabad. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Ladakh, Leh, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Bihar, Patna. Jharkhand, Ranchi. West Bengal, Kolkata. Meghalaya, Shillong. Assam, Dispur. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Nagaland, Kohima. Manipur, Impal. Mizoram, Aizawl. Tripura, Agartala. Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, China, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Here is small, it is saying it is Goa. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Punjab, Chandigarh, Haryana, Delhi. Here is Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Thank you.